FABLAB is a workspace that you can incubate and have prototypes about your project. For example, if you are starting up as a small company and you need to mass produce some stuff, you need first of all the prototype. So you need a place to incubate your idea. That's why we have a FABLAB. A FABLAB is just a place which is really big, and we have a lot of machines. So we have 3D printers, laser cutters, and we have sublimation materials also, and computers to work with all these components. FABLAB is just a place to improve your prototypes and your ideas and make them starting up from scratch into a good business. If you have just a basic idea and you don't want to waste a lot of time and resources on this idea, you need a place to start, an incubation place. It's like having an egg and you want the egg to be bigger and bigger and have at least a chicken. So that's how is a FABLAB. You incubate your idea, so you start from scratch. You have your mentors, your teachers, your experts here with you, and can help you improve the idea from scratch. For example, for me, and I have, for example, a prototype, a device I needed to make. So I don't want to go to big companies and start from there. That will cost a lot of resources and money. So I start from scratch with small and basic. So I go to a FABLAB, use the 3D printers, use the laser cutters, use the prototyping experience, the help of experts to incubate my idea and start from zero. The material, also this is really important because this is what we call the hot nozzle. Yes, we do have some courses. We provide them with the help of the association Log Open Factory. We do have 3D printer courses, sublimation course, laser cutting course, virtual reality course. Also, we are trying to improve and having a lot of experts to help us spread the knowledge and make young people to improve and improvise into a good business starters. For a small city to have a FABLAB or an incubation space, it's good. So we have a lot of young people, young entrepreneurs, young engineers, young innovators who wants to start and let their energy out into a space where they can incubate, innovate, and just create new projects and new ideas. So the FABLAB in a small city, it doesn't matter. So a FABLAB in a small city or in a big city, it doesn't matter. What matters is just get the young people and the innovators into the FABLAB. So we need to spread the idea of a FABLAB is a good space for you to start innovate, to start create, and to start prototype your business. So the FABLAB is just a space made for you.